Hello and welcome back to the stadium here at 605 Sports Cards. Got a few hanger packs to rip here. It was a sports card show here, a little local one they do every month today. So grabbed some product. Bought a few per PC things. This is probably one of my favorites I found today. Nice rookie Marshall Faulk. Have quite a few of his cards, but did not have this one, so a little dirty on the case, but overall the card looked nice, and probably be switching that out into a little better display case, but cool find. Otherwise, that's the best one I picked up today as just a single card. Grabbed some hanger packs of Select 2021. And some MOSAIC hangers, because I had a lot of luck with those this year. Plus quite a bit of other retail items. So let's dive into these. I think we're going to start with the MOSAIC. See if these can keep kicking out those case hits. We'd really like to get the Razzle Dazzle or a Honeycomb. I've not pulled any of those yet. So we'd like to add those to the collection or, you know, sell. So get through all the base here. There's a rookie card up front here, Aiden Hutchinson, Jones, Sam Darnold, Joe Thomas, Charlie Collar, there's Bailey Zappi base rookie, Daxton Hill rookie, Sauce Gardner rookie. Oh, bam. Oh, that came quick already with a case hit. These hangers are insane. So this will look nice with the Russell Wilson I already have of Glass MOSAIC. So awesome. Getting a case hit right off the bat there. First pack. Card show pack for the win. So there we go. Awesome. Not going to complain about that. Getting low on top loaders here. Hopefully we got enough to just get through this rip. Otherwise, I might have to swap out some cards from if we keep getting case hits like that. So we'll go ahead and throw that there by Marshall Faulk, bringing the luck with a nice Glass MOSAIC. All right, and we have a Jason Taylor on a silver. And here's our oranges with Marvin Jones. Nice Aiden Hutchinson rookie. Be nice to get lucky and get one of those packs that just has, you know, 2 or 3 of those case hits. The few people who've seen pull them. Damian Pierce. A Matthew Stafford on Touchdown Masters. And a bang with Javonte Williams. So, first pack of MOSAIC coming out strong with that Deebo Samuel. Excited about that. Maybe add it to the list of the next cards that go off for grading. I have to take a little closer look at it, but from what I can tell, it looks pretty nice. There's a Desmond Ridder rookie. Nice Cooper Kupp on the National Pride. I like that set. Trying to fill those up. I think it's cool with the flag in the background. Nice John Mechie rookie. Tremaine Johnson. Trey McBride. And a nice silver Isaiah Spiller. There's dots and stuff all over that one. See that? That stinks. They don't seem to come off, but nice rookie. On the silver. Sleeve them up real quick. Maybe. There she goes. Those are tight sleeves. So, not a bad card there. And we have another Deebo Samuel making an appearance here with the silver prism. 2 are oranges. Michael Pittman Jr. These oranges look nice. I'm a fan of them. Nice second-year Trey Lance. There's a Breece Hall on the rookies. Nice card there. And a Boy Mayfield rookie. And on the back, we got Kyle Pitts. And a nice Roger Staubach on the Silver Hall of Fame there, prism. Nice inserts. And this will be my first time opening up the 2021 select cards. Hopefully we can find some of those animal prints. I'm not sure what else is on there. We'll just get into it here. Try to get the die cuts out of this. Seen a lot of them opened. I have not done any myself. Just kind of separate them out here. All right, so a nice Josh Palmer base rookie. And our base, Nelson Aguilar, rookie of Kenneth Gainwell. So Tony Gonzalez, Zach Davidson, rookie. Najee Harris, rookie. Elliott, Antonio Gibson. Our first die cut, looks like it's a silver, is Jim Kelly. Nice die cut. Lamar Jackson on the numbers. And a rookie, Devontae Smith. That's a nice rookie there. So we'll save him. Anthony Schwartz rookie card on the die cut. Quinn Williams die cut. Nice Jonathan Taylor. Don't think any of these are any special colors or numbered, just different types of cuts. So nice Jonathan Taylor, Daz Newsome rookie. Nothing numbered. Dwayne Eskridge rookie. A lot of rookies in this. Derek Gore. Jim Kelly base. Seth Williams rookie. And a Greg Russo rookie. So pack one. Nothing super exciting. Got any of those big rookies besides that Devontae Smith. Let's see if we can do a little better on this second pack. I did pick up quite a bit of these, so we'll have more in the future. I'm a fan of these select cards. They look really nice. So Chuba Hubbard rookie. Tannehill. Grant. There's a nice Jalen Waddle rookie. Josh Allen, Kellen Mond. Tons of rookies coming out of this. It's kind of nice on these packs. Love to see an animal print come out. Ian Book. There is a silver of one of the quarterbacks last year you'd have been chasing. Zach Wilson. I'll go ahead and put him up there. And a rookie of Sam Ehlinger. Nice looking rookie card. Travis Etienne, turbocharged insert. And to our stack of die cuts, there's a nice Joe Montana, Hunter Long rookie, and another Zach Wilson rookie card on the die cut. And Dez Fitzpatrick rookie. Finish it off here with the J.C. Horn. There's a Trevor Lawrence rookie. Tom Brady base, Justin Fields rookie, and Michael Strahan. So hit some of the base rookies there that you're after. Final pack. Want to take the time to thank everybody for watching, and everyone's been subscribing and been seeing a lot of comments pop up, so I appreciate it. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and feel free to hit that like button on the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell, and it'll bring you luck in future rips that you do. Whether it's good or bad, don't know, but it'll bring something. So there's a Rondale Moore, Carson Wentz, Monroe Street Brown, St. Brown, I want to say Street, just catches you that way. DK Metcalf, Kwity Paye, and a silver Marcus Allen. Kyle Pitts rookie. DeAndre Hopkins turbocharged. A Jared Goff. Anthony Schwartz. We'll put that with the rookie pile. Tutu Atwell rookie. And another nice Devontae Smith on the die cut. Throw him up there and finish it off here. The last of it. Jim Kelly. Seth Williams. Elijah Moore. Aaron Rodgers, who probably won't be a Packer next year, sounds like. And Josh Allen for the Jaguars on the base. So that'll do it for this rip. I did pick these up at the card show. Trying to hit that every month. Go through some of our better hits here, or cards. Quite a few Devontae Smith out of this, I won't complain. I like the look of these die cuts. So there's a Kyle Pitts on the rookie, Justin Fields base, Trevor Lawrence base, and a couple Zach Wilsons there, a silver and just the die cut. A nice Isaiah Spiller mosaic. And our best pull of this by far is going to be this Deebo Samuel glass mosaic. So thanks everybody for watching, supporting the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.